it is a very issue now, or they might be interested in other topics instead of COVID-19 because they might not be they might not want to see that issue anymore because they saw it too much. So I will prioritize the interest of the viewer.
Okay. Good structure, good logic, but why? Why would you want to prioritize what people are interested in?
Because the news are for the viewers, so I have to write the news about what people are interested, so they will read the news.
Good. Begin with that logic first, okay? Because that is the premise. 그러니까 토론 논리를 전개하는 데 있어서 전제 조건이란 말이야. So that is the premise of where your logic is coming out of. So if you tell me, I believe that news should really be relevant to its viewers and that it should be informing them about things that they care about. Therefore, I would prioritize the interest of people. For example, this is what people are interested in. I would report about that. So if you just tell me that interest of people, then it seems like there's no philosophy or no big idea behind your logic. But there is. 근데 선생님이 항상 추가 질문을 하진 않을 거란 말이야. 그치? 디베이트 때는 너가 하고 싶은 말 다 하고 끝나면 끝. So you want to try to frame your idea about what is the big idea I have that led me to this conclusion of interest of people. Okay? And also try to incorporate words that we learned today, which is relevance to viewers, or even things like, it could even be agenda setting, right? So agenda setting for people to learn about issues that they care about. Okay? All right, good job. Let's see.